from Happy Convent School. Welcome to our presentation. Let's begin our today's topic. Mathematics is a methodical application of matter. It is so said because the subject makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes a life orderly and given truths. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or special things, critical things, problem solving ability and even effective communication skill. Mathematics is the critical of all creation. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician. Everyone is mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use their mathematics in their everyday life for extreme. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal cones. There are countless examples of mathematics in patterns of natural fabric. Pure mathematics is in its way the poetry of local ideas. Well, we all know that mathematics is the methodical application of natural fabric. So, through this presentation, we are going to represent the importance of mathematics in our daily life. This is our project topic. Now, I will discuss about the time. This is a clock and we watch clock to see time. To read the number, to read out the time, we should know the concept of mathematics. Now, it's come to how to manage the time. Now, managing the time is one of the most difficult things which is faced by a lot of people and individually wants to complete several assignments in a limited time. Not only management, some people are not even able to read the times on an analog clock. Such problem can be solved only by understanding the basic concept of mathematics. Maths not only help us to understand the management of time, but also to value it. Now, my friends are going to continue this presentation.
Hello, I am Rituken Shah. I read in class 4 Happy Convent School in Dhubri, Assam. This is a calendar. Well, all we know that the modern mathematics includes the topic calendar also. Actually, calendar is a bulletin board of math-related tasks that usually use the current date or the number of days in a year. Through this presentation, I am going to explain that how the concept of basic mathematical operations can be used in a calendar and how the calendar play an important role in our daily life. For example, in an ordinary year, there are 365 days. But in an leap year, there are 366 days. So how we can count it? Means we have to do addition process to all the days of 12 months. Then only we will get the number of total days. Now let's see how it's implemented in our activities. Firstly, using a calendar assists us with creating routine in our life. Secondly, some people use their calendar to literally schedule their lists into their days. The third number point is it is helping us to take break by checking the list of holidays also. The fourth number point is instead of helping use reminding. Okay. The fifth number point is it is helping us to be more productive. Many of us start our own computers, check voicemails, messages on our phones and take a few minutes to answer emails according to scheduled time. The sixth number point is by using calendar we can calculate our age. Another important role of calendar play in our daily work is in helping us to prioritize what should be done first. Like this math in calendar implemented in our daily life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bikushita Shorta and I am a student of class 4 of Happy Convent School, Dhubri. Today I am going to explain about how maths is implemented in our daily activities through the concept of distance and speed. Maths is all around us. It is mostly used in our daily activities. Maths is used for finding distance, speed of vehicles, and to calculate how much time to reach the destination. It is a common experience that the distance moved by an object in a unique time is called the speed of that object. In our daily life, the concept of speed gives us an idea of how slow or fast the object is moving. And the speed of an object can be calculated by dividing the distance traveled by an object by the time taken to travel this distance. Suppose a car travels a distance of 100 km in 4 hours. Then we can find the speed by dividing the distance, that is 100 km, by the time taken, that is 4 hours. And thus the speed will be 25 km per hour. Similarly, we can find out the distance and time by using the related mathematical formulas. In this way, maths help us to solve the various problems that we face in our routine life. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers. I am Rishita from class 4, section B, Happy Convent School. Mathematics is very important in your daily life. Now I am going to explain how the mathematical concept like area perimeter is implemented through our daily life. If we want to decorating house or gardening, we should know the basic knowledge about area and perimeter. Here the basic knowledge about area and perimeter. Area, the measurement of space inside of an object is called area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Area of this object is 22 cm into 11 cm equal to 242 square centimeter. Perimeter, the measurement around the outside of an object is called perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. The perimeter of this object is 22 cm plus 11 cm plus 22 cm plus 11 cm equal to 66 cm. Some example of uses area and perimeter in home decorating or gardening. Number 1, if we want to put a photo in a photo frame, we should need to know the area to see what size we need. Number 2, floor covering like carpet and tiles require area measurement. Number 3, we often find the perimeter when putting up Christmas or Diwali light around our house. Number 4, basic counting exercise. Start with counting the number of seeds planted and counting that sprout. Number 5, if you want to fence a garden, then length required material for fencing is the perimeter of the garden. Number 6 is in gardening we should apply the area perimeter formula. First of all, we should graph out the plot, planning how many plants they can grow, how far they need to be, and measure distance for each variety. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Priyam Chakraborty. I am reading in class 4, section A, roll number 27. I am going to tell about the importance of mathematics to understand money and shopping. So, let's start it. For managing money and shopping, mathematics play a very important role. To complete the process of managing money, we are using the mathematical basic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, if a shopkeeper is selling a chocolate which price is 10 rupees, and if I purchase 2 chocolates, then how much I need to pay him? Yes, it is clearly 20 rupees. So here what I have done, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, or we can do 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Here the basic mathematical operation addition and multiplication is used in the process of calculation. From this simple example, we can understand the importance of mathematics from managing money and shopping. One more example, suppose I am going to a bookstore to purchase various items like a storybook, color pencil set, pen, pencil, eraser and sharpener. If the prices of those items are like storybook is 50 rupees, color pencil set is 40 rupees, pen is 10 rupees. Pencil is 5 rupees. Eraser is 5 rupees. And sharpener is also 5 rupees. If I purchase one each item from the bookstore, then how much I need to pay to the shopkeeper? Yes, it is 115. So here what I have done? 50 plus 40 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 115. Here the basic mathematical operation addition is used in the process of calculation. And if I pay 200 rupees to the shopkeeper, then how much he will return to me? Yes, it is 85 rupees. So here what I have done, 200 minus 115 is equal to 85 rupees. Here the basic mathematical operation subtraction is used to find out the difference amount. In this way, how the basic mathematical operation is used to manage money and shopping. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Srija Mojumdar from Happy Convent School, class 4. As we are trying to represent the mathematical concept in our day-to-day life, so today I will show you how we are using the mathematical concept in preparation of food or in cooking or in baking or unknowingly like once my mother. When I am from outside, my mother used to give me mango juice which give me refreshment. Today I will show you how to make mango juice. Firstly, I am taking a glass full of water and keeping it in the table. Secondly, I will pouring a spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt in it. Thirdly, I am pouring some mango squash on it. Now I am stirring it. Now my juice is ready to drink. From this we can understand that we are using the mathematical concept of addition, proper ratio, mixing quantities in mango juice. Thank you.
I am Ayushman Pal of class 4 from Happy Convent School. I am going to explain how the concept of geometry is applied in our surroundings. Coin has circle shape, it helps us to buy our necessary things. Has circle shape, it helps us to play. Cylinder has cylindrical shape, it helps us to cook food. Lampboard has square shape, it helps us to play. Box has rectangle shape, it helps us to keep pen and pencil. Book has rectangle shape, it helps us to learn. Egg has oval shape, it helps us to cook. It is a healthy food to eat. House has all shapes. We used to apply the knowledge of geometrical shapes like triangle, rectangle. Door has rectangle shapes. Window has square shape. It protects us from winter, summer and rainy season. Thank you.
My name is Purvijin. I am in class 4. Today I will say what is measurement. How is it helpful in our daily life? Measurement also helps students to make connection within mathematics. For example, students begin to develop their understanding of fraction concepts. They extend their understanding in measurement, include factors, unit as well. Measurement continue to play an important role throughout everybody's life. Example, a medical checkup, a sports competition, a building a house when controlling temperature in appliances, or will cooking. The standard units for measuring land, mass and capacity are meter, gram, liter respectively. For example, cooking rice. We need to buy rice from shop. So shopkeeper will say after measuring 2 kg, 3 kg. So this all things every day we used in our daily life. Surrounding overall, we can see mathematics is implemented in our activities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ritam Mathur. Today I am here to speak few lines on how mathematics is implemented in computer application. This is computer, so I start. The study of computer application is next to impossible without math. The concept like quantification, algorithms and many more from the base for different computer applications like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, etc. are impossible to run without math. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Atikasar Amit and I am from class 4. Through this presentation, I will explain about symmetry. Symmetry is a very familiar topic in the field of mathematics. It not only occurs in geometry but also in other mathematical branches. Now I am going to explain about some symmetrical objects, but before that we should know about symmetry. Symmetry is when a figure has two sides that are the mirror images of one another. Line of symmetry is a line which divides the object into two parts. Example of symmetrical objects are triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Nature uses symmetry to make the things more beautiful. Symmetrical objects in our surrounding are human face, reflection of trees in water, butterfly, etc. Through this discussion, we can understand the importance of mathematics. The knowledge of it, we cannot find which are the symmetrical objects. Thank you.
I am Rizal Islam of class 4. Through this presentation, I am going to explain how mathematical concept is applied in automobile industry. The different car manufacturing companies products are based on the demands of the customers. Every company has its category of cars ranging from micros to luxurious companies. Based mathematical operations are being applied to gain knowledge about the different demands of the customers. How much should be the speed to cover any particular distance? How much time will be taken? Whether to turn left or right? When to stop the car? When to...
Hello everyone, my name is Ramoni Das. I am from class 4 section B. Today I am going to represent a speech on concept of geometry, trigonometry, probability, logical rejoining and schools. Like knowledge of angles helps to play badminton. Math is everything when it comes to games. Like Ludo is a traditional game and we learn roll and beat the dice and count the numbers of spaces and to play and move. To this we are developing the knowledge on logical rejoining and probability. Now, it is playing video games is one of the most favorite entertainment activity done all over the world. But do you know, here also we are learning math. Yes, here also we are learning math about the different steps and techniques to follow to win any games. So, math is essential to the production of games. Math is used in every aspect of games development, including art is a math-based program that plots out the verticals and normals in the mathematical form. while the artist has used a tool that allows them to create a stunning 3D graphics without worrying about math. There are many mathematical principles behind the creation of computer games, including geometry, vectors, transformations, matrix, and physics. For example, matrix relate to 3D graphics. For example, one of the main mathematical skills required to study playing most games is problem solving. Common branch of math until in game design and development include algebra, trigonometry, calculus, linear algebra, discrete mathematics applied in mathematical games and more. Geometric shapes and instructions between geometric shapes and in basic foundation of all video games. Video games rely on the extensive use to circles, squares, ovals, rectangles, trapezoids and many other form shapes you see on your computer or TV screen as you play video games. Trigonometry is extensive on games in the order for the games in programs or to the functions. Trig is used in writing for the basic foundation so the object can move. Also used for designing objects, characters and sets. Well, we are trying to represent the application in our real life through this representation. Hope you all enjoy it. Thank you.